With AI, building things has become almost too easy, and the real challenge now is getting the word out about what you've built. You know, building a brand, building a moat, building an audience. When I ran my marketing agency, my team would spend weeks on campaigns, and that was reduced to hours with AI workflows, you know, copying and pasting between different tools. What I'm about to show you today is another step change in building audiences, not only faster, but better. It doesn't look like generic AI slop because this tool actually scans your website and creates what Google calls your business DNA. You know, it's your voice, your colors, your vibe, but like anything, there's some tricks to it. I've been testing this on my own ideas, and I've found 3 workflows that are helping me promote all of my weird ideas, and the third one is almost a complete business plan in and of itself. So here's what we're going to be covering. Pomelli was built for social media content, but there's one small tweak that turned my results from, you know, not bad to stuff that I was really excited to post, and this is a real game changer for organic social reach. The flip side of that, of course, is advertising. I've run more ad campaigns than I can count, and testing the ads was always the biggest bottleneck. Well, that problem is gone. This is my streamlined process for finding what works and doubling down on it. The third workflow is all about scaling. So if you do any freelance work, or if you've recently been laid off, or if you're thinking about leaving your job and need to pay the bills, this workflow is for you. To get to this tool, you can either do a Google search for Pomelli, or you can go to labs.google. And this is a really cool place to keep your eye on. This is where Notebook LM first debuted, and there's all sorts of stuff going on in this labs.google that many people, including myself, haven't even heard of some of these. We're going to focus on Pomelli today, so we're going to click in here and we're going to get started. The first step is to get Pomelli to scan your site and create this business DNA. This is basically a branding guideline. The project that we're going to be promoting today is a blog of mine called Ancient Wisdom. This is at ancientwisdom.blog if you're interested in checking it out, and it's really just what it says, timeless teachings for modern life. So looking at things that people have been doing for thousands of years that we may have forgotten that might be helpful in our day-to-day lives. This is a blog that actually writes itself. I'm going to link to a video right now. If you want to learn how I built this, you can check that out, or you can just check out ancientwisdom.blog if you want to learn more here. But I'm grabbing that URL, I'm clicking let's go, pasting that in here, and we are going to scan this. You can see it hardly has any branding at all, which I was shocked to see how well Pomelli can come up with, exact, a whole brand idea, a whole brand kit, basically, from just some basic things. And there's a lot you can do. Obviously, if your site has a lot more graphics and so forth, it's going to pull those and fonts, etc. You can upload images here, generate images right here. But this is just very basic stuff with the colors, tagline, and all of this business overview here. So it's scanned the basics of that website, and with hardly any direction, I'm just going to click looks good and see what it comes up with for some campaigns. So it's already generated a handful of campaigns that are based on these different blog posts. Again, applying that ancient wisdom to our day-to-day life. Let's click in and check these out. So what it's created here is a handful of images with some text that could be used as a carousel in the various social media platforms. And I think this is not bad, but we want to make it great. And this is the twist I wanted to show you here. And for that, I'm jumping into the cheat sheet. I make a cheat sheet like this for every single video that I create. There's over 165 of these instantly available to anybody who joins my Patreon. There's a link in the description to that if you're interested. It's going to go into everything that we're doing today, including a ton more, but especially this prompt here. So we are going to take this prompt, and I'm actually going to jump into Gemini with this. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to drop it right into Gemini along with a link to this specific blog post. This is a blog post that I particularly liked that the AI wrote. I'm dropping that right in here, and it just says, I would like to create a carousel social update for this post. It does not need to encompass the entire post, although that might be appropriate depending on the content. Can you generate some ideas? No images, just ideas for now. I like this first concept that it came up with. I'm going to copy this right back into Pomelli, and now that it knows our DNA, it's got a feel for our brand, we can start to guide it here with some very specific strategy from Gemini. This is an easy prompt. It just says, please create a campaign for this blog post based on this concept. Here's the blog post and here's the concept. And again, that's the concept that I pulled right out of Gemini. Drop me a comment with whatever niche you're in or whatever you're looking to promote, and I will do my best to create a helpful Pomelli prompt. And here's the campaign that it came up with. It goes through, some of the major parts of that blog post. Again, it didn't try to do the entire blog post, which was great. Just focused on a simple concept that could easily be shared in a handful of slides. You can get in here and easily update anything that you want to update, including the image. You can regenerate that image or edit the image. The header here, which is the top content, the font size, description. You can generate a call to action. So everything that you would need to do is right in here. And I hope this is obvious how this is much easier than trying to do this inside of Nano Banana and copy and pasting between 10 different AI tools. You've got this done here. They've even recently added the ability to do little basic animations just to give a little bit of movement to help catch people's eye. Can go a long way. But for now, I'm just going to download these one by one, each slide, because that's how we're going to have to put them into our social media delivery system here. This image I want to change a little bit. There are some markings on the road here that are a little bit distracting. I think the concept is good. I just want to regenerate that. So I'm clicking that little arrow. It's going to generate a few different ideas here. Perfect. Download the new version of that slide. So here in LinkedIn, I'm just going to create a post, start a post, and select those images. I'm actually just going to grab this copy and add it to the post as well. All right, I think that's looking pretty good, ready to post. If you're looking to automate and schedule out your social media posts, I've had the best luck with Buffer, but I know that Hootsuite can work well. These are not sponsors, just tools I've had good luck with. These are super easy, and like a lot of things AI, they're just a blast to create. I've already created a bunch more here, and the plan is I'm just gonna start getting these out into the world, and then the ones that perform the best are gonna become the ads that I focus on. That's another place that Pomelli shines, because you can reformat these to fit the different sizes that you need for your different ads, whether that's the story ad like we have here, the feed ad, which is a little bit different, or the square ad that we have here. The trick there is that these are so easy to create. You can create a bunch of them. You can be posting them organically and just seeing which ones start to get a little bit of traction, especially if it's a new project. You'll notice one will pop off, and then that's the one you might want to think, okay, let me either boost that. That's the easiest way to get the ad out there. But if you want to format that in those other ways and start to branch out into all the different ad campaign styles that especially Facebook and Instagram offer, that can be a great way to use Pomelli to double down on that organic success that you've had and start to grow your reach that way. The cheat sheet has a lot of additional information about running those different ad campaigns, building out those different ad creatives, and some good ideas on the best places to run those. But now I want to get into the fact that you can do this not only for yourself, but you can do this for clients, because you might be saying to yourself, this is super easy, anybody can do this. Why would a business owner hire people to do this? And I can tell you nearly every business owner out there is interested in hiring somebody to help them with this type of thing. And you might not be able to charge what you could charge before AI to do this, but you can do it so quickly and easily. $500 a month to create these types of things that go out, a few times a week. Takes you a few hours. You can easily do that in an afternoon and easily charge $500 or more for local businesses. So the cheat sheet gets into a lot of different methods for going about that. The other really great advantage here is that you can create these things ahead of time. So, when I was running my marketing agency, we had to do a proposal and get paid and do all this stuff before we even created a single piece of marketing content. But now you can use this DNA scanner tool, scan the business that you want to approach, scan their website, and present them with a handful of ideas and saying, hey, go ahead and try this out, use this. If you want more of these, I'd be happy to create them for you, schedule a quick call, go through your pricing. You can, once you have a good client testimonial, that's worth gold. You can talk about things that you've done in the past. But here are some of the prices here. The starter tier, 500 to 800. Growth tier can get higher than that. And then it can go up from here. Here's an email template you can use to reach out to people in your local area, looking at their social media. Often they are not posting nearly enough, and you can highlight that here and say, hey, I can do this stuff for you. Here's actually a few that I've already created, and see if you can jump on a quick call and present your services and walk them through exactly what I just told you, starting with that organic reach, doubling down when things are working, and really building your relationship from there. And I think that kind of service would sort of top out right at this $2,000 to $3,000 a month. And if you want to get above that, there is a whole different strategy that you can employ. And this is what worked for me quite a bit when I was running my agency, would be trying to meet with these larger organizations by going to these different conferences. Ideally, you'd want to eventually focus in on a niche that you have some good case studies and testimonials for, finding out the different conferences around that niche. Or if you're just getting started, go to any, conference that might be near you that won't cost you very much to get in. And oftentimes you can get into the exposition hall, the expo hall, where, there's all these booths for free. And you can go, and guess what? Your number one candidates are right there. Their whole marketing team are sitting at those booths, all lined up, ready and waiting to talk to you. So again, you can go in there, you can do some research before the conference and find out what they're doing on social media, how you might be able to bring these types of services to them. And those are the people with much larger budgets than probably your average local business. So those are where you can really start to become a true consultant. This is a whole separate guide on that strategy that's included in the Patreon there. And this is where you can really start to get into some high figures, maybe starting with some basic marketing using Pomelli, and maybe even using some Google Deep Research as well. These are the types of things that I love to talk about on my group coaching calls. Those are also available in the Patreon. This cheat sheet goes on and on with many extra email outreach templates, these different follow-up sequences, and there's a lot of prompts for creating not only the content that I showed you, but using it for testimonials and other types of social media content. And remember, if you drop me a comment with whatever you're looking to promote or whatever niche you're in, I'll try to reply with a helpful Pomelli prompt. The next video that I want you to check out is all about how to scale your services using deep research. This is how you can really command a higher dollar amount from your clients and going after bigger clients. So I will see you over there.
Make your dreams come true.